Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to play Phasmophobia on Android step by step. Begin by confirming your Android device meets the minimum specs and has enough free storage. Next, enable unknown sources or use a trusted app store to install compatible APK files safely. Make sure to back up your data and create a separate account for testing so your main profile stays secure during setup and play. Start installation by downloading the proper APK and any OBB expansion, files from a reputable source directly on your Android device. Use a file manager to place OBB data into the Android/OB folder and verify permissions, allow the game to read those files. Install the APK, open the game once to initialize resources, then restart your device to ensure everything loads correctly for smooth play and proper controller or touch mapping. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more step-by-step guides for mobile gaming. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is excellent for reading during breaks between hunts, with a bright display and long battery life that pairs nicely with late-night sessions. I dropped a link and other deals in the description for your convenience, and now let's get back to the video. Optimize gameplay by lowering graphics settings to low or medium so frame rates stay steady and your device avoids overheating. If possible, connect a Bluetooth controller or customize touch controls for better movement and camera handling in tense moments. Allow microphone access in settings for voice interactions, and use headphones to hear subtle audio cues that help detect paranormal activity and improve teamwork in cooperative sessions, while keeping battery usage in check.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.